All right. So, $50 billion. $50 billion is exactly how much the America spends on unplanned downtime each year. Now, in order to tap into this market, right, essentially our plan is to install this on every single one of our machines. This is our Vibra-IntelliSense sensor, where it will actually collect the frequency data and have it sent back to our Azure cloud through our gateway. So the data will actually be looking like a time. It's like a time graph where it will be transformed into a FFT data graph looking like this on our dashboards. Now, normally, normal people can't really interpret the data. So we actually have partnered up with this. So they are called III, and them and their experts, they actually helped us with interpreting the FFT data. But if experts can interpret the data, machines can do it much better. So we have actually implemented our Azure machine learning that will be able to intelligently interpret the data for us and actually check the health of each machine's like dynamically. Yeah. So now the data that I've been talking about will actually be secured end-to-end using our secured IoT infrastructure. Now, thing is that with all this, right, our concept is actually called MAS, which is maintenance as a service. Now, maintenance as a service is set to disrupt the maintenance industry. Like it will disrupt the whole traditional enterprise maintenance industry. And our service, our system is actually an enabler for MAS. So now what MAS means for machine owners. So essentially, machine owners, they would be able to monitor the machines 24/7, and they can actually schedule rest time for the machines to prevent machines from breaking down. And by doing so, we can actually increase the productivity for owners and prevent corrective maintenance, which actually costs more than preventive maintenance. So now, what it means
One
for
minute.
service providers. So with the overview of all the machine health statuses, right, we can actually efficiently manage our manpower allocation. This means that you can take on regional maintenance projects, and we have actually implemented our project with overseas client from Indonesia. So now the most important thing is that we actually own the data, right? So we are the custodians of the data. So the wealth of data will be used to improve our machine learning, and the data will actually be able to benefit the maintenance industry as a whole. So in conclusion, with this, we've implemented with like a state-of-the-art technology, and we have collaborated with our industry partner and their expert domain for their expert domain knowledge. And with that, we have a customer. So yep, that concludes
10
my presentation.
seconds.
Yep, that's all.